Hello my friend, in order to install Laravel, we need to install something what is called Composer. As the name suggests, this is a guy who composes music, right? In our situation, it is like something that is gonna compose, set all the files of Laravel in the proper place. You just don't need to worry about it. Everything is gonna be installed and set properly. And this thing is not only used to install Laravel, it's also very useful later, because you can go, for example, to the site like this, packages, and you can search, for example, for PHP mailer, okay? And let's say that you want to send massively big amount of mails, right? So you can download this thing using the Composer in your project. You just say Composer and you say that you want to use this thing. And you don't need to worry about, going to, for example, GitHub and, copying everything in the proper place from this thing. You don't need to know how to install it. You don't need to know what is required by PHP mailer. So the things that are required by PHP mailer are called dependencies, because PHP mailer depends on this additional libraries, otherwise it will not work. That's why it's called dependency manager. And when you just hit one very small text like Composer installed, you don't need to worry about all these things. Everything is gonna be done by the Composer. You don't need to worry about anything, right? This is so cool. You just want to use something from this list on this website, and hey, one click, everything is done. That's why it's so cool. So you need to download it. In order to download it, we need to download the Composer setup executable, and let's install it. Now let's click next, and as you can see, it found our XAMPP, right? Next, and then next, install. So the installation process is very simple. Now you click next, and it said you should reset your computer probably. And it's really important, because if you don't reset your computer, it might not be found while you are trying to install, for example, Laravel or any other library using the Composer. Okay, so reset your computer.